Hi everyone, welcome to my channel STB Academy. So in this video we are going to discuss about parallelogram vectors. So we can explain parallelogram vectors. You can see here parallelogram vectors. Parallelogram vectors. Okay, so here you can see now. So the name itself you can understand the parallelogram of vectors. Parallelogram of vectors. Okay, parallelogram we can consider. So two vectors. I am taking two vectors. So what is that? One is p bar. I am considering. Another one is q bar. Another one is q bar. These are the two vectors I am considering. Those two vectors acting on same particle. So starting from one point. So those are parallel to the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. So I am considering this to the parallelogram like this. So yeah. So you can take this a parallelogram. You can take these two vectors. So here I am considering the one more vector here. So one vector that is a p bar. I am considering the p bar, and here it is q bar, and it is q bar. I am considering here q bar. So the angle between the two vectors. So p bar and q bar is theta. P bar and q bar is theta. So then you can take parallel. So here it is p bar, and you can take so here it is q. I can take. Okay. So p bar and here also p bar, and here also q bar. These two vectors are equal. So that's the reason q bar I can consider, right? So p bar and p bar, and q bar and q bar. So here you go. So what is the resultant of these two vectors? So resultant of the two vectors you can take. So r bar, here r bar I am considering. That is the r bar. Here it is r bar I can take. So that is r bar. Okay. Now to find the resultant, so we need to find the magnitude of the resultant. We need to find the magnitude of the resultant. So here you can see. So we know x-axis and y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. So here it is x-axis and here it is y-axis. You can take. So I am considering it is x-axis, and here you can take y-axis. Okay. So what is angle between x and q? Theta. Why we are taking theta? Because so anyway it is parallel. So in the same line. So same line along the p bar, and here it is q bar, that is also parallel to q bar. Then the angle between p bar and q bar is theta. Automatically x and q is also theta 1, right? So here it is I am taking y. Here it is I am taking y. So now you can take. So from this triangle, what is the triangle? X, y and q. So we have to take only magnitude. We have to take only magnitude. That's why x, y, q can we take. Okay. So from that, so I am taking here like this. Yes, that's enough. So here it is theta and x, and here it is y, and here it is q, and here it is q. From this triangle, so shall I take cos theta? What is the cos theta value? Cos theta equal to, so adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is x, hypotenuse is q. So x by q you can take. Then what is x value? So x equal to, so you can cross multiply. So q into cos theta, you can cross multiply, then you'll get it. So q cos theta we can take. And from the same triangle, so what about sin theta value? Sin theta you could take. Sin theta equal to, so sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? Y by q. Y by q. So opposite side is y. So hypotenuse is q. So y by q. So from this, so what about y? Y equal to, y can take y equal to, you can cross multiply, you will get it. So q into sin theta, q sin theta, q into sin theta, q sin theta, we can take q sin theta, right? Yes. So we got the x value and y value, right? So x value and y value we found. Yes. This we calculated. Yes. Of course we did. Yes. Okay. X value and y value. So we need to take. We need to find out the resultant, right? Okay. Resultant we need to find out. So we can take resultant. Now you can see. Okay. Yes. So same triangle you can consider. I am taking this p bar. Okay. And here it is the resultant. So it is x value is also there, and y you can take. Okay. So you can take this resultant. So r bar. Here it is. So I need to find out the resultant. So this is a p, and this portion is x, and this portion is y. The angle between these t is, you can take alpha. Okay, so here we go. Once again, we can take here we can consider, so that is theta also you can consider. Here we can take the angle between p bar and q bar, we took theta. So angle makes the angle between okay, r and p is alpha, you can take, r and q is beta, we can consider. Okay, beta we can consider. So I need to find out entire angle. Okay, so that's the reason we want to take only magnitude, we are considering only, we are taking magnitude. Okay, so if you are taking magnitude, then we can consider, from Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem we can take. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. What is hypotenuse square? So r square equal to, so p plus x whole square, p plus x whole square plus y square. So I want to find out only magnitude of resultant. So that's the reason I'm concentrating only magnitude of the resultant. Okay. So now you can take r square equal to p plus x whole square plus y square. You know a plus p whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? So that is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So here p plus x whole square is there. Same thing we can elaborate. So r square equal to, we can take p square plus x square plus, so 2px plus y square. You can take plus y square also, you can take plus y square, right? So r square equal to p square plus x square plus 2px plus y square. So so right above we did, so we got the values of x and y. X value is q cos theta, y equal to q sin theta. So r square equal to p square plus q square plus 2px plus y square. Substitute x value and y value. Substitute x value and y value, you will get the answer. Now you substitute. Okay, so here you can consider r square equal to, so p square plus x square means, what is x value? Can you tell? Q cos theta. X equal to q cos theta, y equal to q sin theta. So substitute x equal to q cos theta whole square plus, so there q sin theta, right? So remember the value. So you can take, so 2p, x means q cos theta, y means q sin theta whole square, right? because we are considering y square, right? Because we are considering y square. So you can take line here because this is different, this formula is different, this formula is different. So you can take here, we can consider now you can take, so here r square equal to p square plus q square cos square theta plus 2pq 2pq, you can take q cos theta, okay, then plus q square sin square theta, q square sin square theta. So we know from identity, so from trigonometric, okay, so cos square theta plus sin square theta, or you can take sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, equal to 1. So from this identity we can tell, okay, so you can take q cos square theta plus q sin square theta from this, so you can take q common, so the resultant you can see r square equal to, so p square plus q square you can take common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, right? Sin square theta plus 2pq cos theta, 2pq cos theta, okay. So here you can see, so here you can go with that, yes. So here you can see r square is right in front of that, yeah, okay. So r square equal to p square plus q square cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, then you can get the final solution. So r square equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta, 2pq cos theta, okay. So then, so what about r value? We want only r value, right? So r value we want cos theta, so we want r value, so r value how to find out? Yes, so now you can see r equal to root over root over root over, okay. So p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta, 2pq cos theta, okay. So this is the value, so r equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. So this is about parallelogram vectors.